Hi there, students. Incarnate, incarnation. Incarnate is either an adjective or a verb. The adjective is more common. And then incarnation, the noun. Okay, incarnate means in the flesh, made human, in human form. He is the devil incarnate, the devil in human form. So it's a way of criticizing someone very strongly. He's the devil incarnate. To personify, to be the perfect typical example of something. She is generosity incarnate. It's intangible concepts given a tangible form. He is goodness incarnate. Anything he can do to help you, he will do for you. So, to be representative or typical of something. He is evil incarnate. He is absolutely representative and typical of evil. Evil itself. We can also use the verb to incarnate, meaning to make real, to actually do things. So at every opportunity he tries to incarnate his ideals and principles. He tries to walk the walk, not just talk the talk. So to substantiate. I think this use is probably less common though, okay? So, incarnate, embodied in the flesh, represented in a concrete, tangible form. This painting tries to incarnate the zeitgeist of our times. Zeitgeist, the spirit of the age. Okay? So, incarnate, or to incarnate. Okay, and now the noun incarnation. An incarnation says that something is a spirit or a deity in human form. Maybe somebody can be the incarnation of a spirit. He is the pure incarnation of his dead grandfather. It's his dead grandfather born again. There is the concept of reincarnation, to be born again in a new body. This is a religious idea, for example, of the Buddhists, where when you die, then you are born again in the body of another creature. It may be an animal, it may be a human. Okay, so incarnation, the embodiment of something. She is the incarnation of glamour. So you can also use it like that. So, the devil incarnate. How formal is that? Well, I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, although it sounds a bit old-fashioned. He's an incarnation of his grandfather. Again, you could use this in an informal conversation, but maybe I would say, very informally, in human form, in the flesh. Ah, there he is, incarnate. There he is in the flesh. Is more natural in a very informal situation. I think for some sort of semi-formal or very formal writing, these are good words to use. So, what about the origin of incarnate? Okay, it comes from Latin, in, carnate. This is to do with meat, carnivore. So incarnare, to make into flesh, to make into meat. And then we have the Latin word caro, which is flesh, the meat that you eat, the flesh. So, in the flesh. So the meaning hasn't changed much. It's changing from a spirit into a tangible being. There we go. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Incarnate.